Yes, good morning everyone and welcome to the class. We were doing chapter number 8, carts and wheels. So let us start with the same, carts and wheels. The last topic we have discussed was about this Kali and Lali, the two goats. And see, Lali and Kali, they were tied with a rope, and Kali's rope was longer than Lali, and that's why Kali can graze more grass, isn't it? This was a topic we have discussed on Friday. Now today we will discuss Daljit's design. Now today Daljit is there, Lali Kali has gone. Daljit is there. We will discuss about Daljit. Okay, what Daljit is doing. See, page number 87. So everyone take out Math Magic, page number 87. Lali and Kali we have already completed. We will start Daljit's design. So kindly come to the topic Daljit's design. Daljit has made these designs using a compass. As you can see, there are some designs shown, and this designs is being made by Daljit, and he has used a compass to make these designs because the circles are perfect circles. Okay, that's why he has used one compass, and with the help of that compass he is drawing the designs. His sister came and started making more designs with him. Now his sister also came and she also started to make some designs with him. Okay, do you want to make such designs? To make such designs you need to use a compass. Yes, to make such designs you need a compass. So you can also make some designs with the help of the compass. Clear? Now change the page. Come to page number 88. Come to page number 88. Using a compass. Now here it is told that how to use a compass in your copy. Have you seen a compass before? How will you use this to make a circle? Yes, I think you all have seen a compass. It is in the geometry box, isn't it? So in the geometry box you can see there is one compass, one protector, a set square and one scale. When you are buying or when you are getting from your elder brother sister, you will see that these things are already in the geometry box. Okay, that's why it is called the geometry box. So there you have a compass, and nowadays the compass is of plastic, or previously it was made up of steel. Okay, so this compass is used to make a circle. Now open your compass, press the tip of the compass on the paper, hold the compass from the top. Now here it is told that first of all you open the compass and then you keep the tip of the compass in the paper or in the copy, and then you hold it from the top. As you can see, there is one holding given at the top, one small rod it is given, okay, to hold it. Now without moving the tip, try to move the pencil around. Now without moving the tip, that means the tip should be fixed, and you have to make a circle with the help of the pencil. Means try to just move the pencil. Do you get a circle? Yes, obviously you will get a circle. See, I have a big compass. This is the geometry box of our school. In that it was there. So first of all, open it like this. Open the compass, then keep the compass, the tip of the compass. This is the tip of the compass. Okay, so keep this tip of the compass in the paper like this. Suppose I am keeping it here, the tip of the compass, and then try to make a circle. I am keeping it here and I am trying to draw the circle. My tip is moving like this. Okay, try to do it like this, and the center, mark the center. Okay, now see what is the next step. After this, do you get a circle? Look for a mark where you had kept the tip of the compass. Exactly, I have kept the tip of the compass here, and this mark is the center of your circle. So this mark or this dot is called the center of the circle. Is this circle better than the one you you made earlier without a compass? Yes, obviously it is, because this we are using the compass and we are making, so it is a perfect circle, whereas before this we were using free hand and we were making a circle, isn't it? So draw the radius of this circle and measure it. Now draw the radius with the help of the pen scale. You draw the radius. How you will draw the radius? You have to draw the radius from the center to the circle. Suppose I am drawing like this way. With the help of the scale, just a line segment, a straight line segment, okay, and name it. The center I am naming O, and this line point I am naming it P. So my radius is equals to OP. And what is the measurement of OP? Let me see. It is from 15 centimeter. It is 15 centimeter. Okay, so this way I have drawn the radius and I have named it OP, and its measurement is 15 centimeter. I can draw many radius inside this, means I can draw many infinite radius. And what is the radius? Radius is from the center to the line, to the on the circle. That means the line segment which is starting from the center and which is ending on the circle, that is the radius. Okay, so I can draw many radius inside this circle. I can draw many radius. Okay, so radius is the line segment which is starting from the center and which is ending in on the circle. Clear? This is the radius. The next question. Now you can make your own designs like Daljit had made. How many did you make? Yes, now this is an activity. It is told for you that you can take or you can draw many designs with the help of the compass. Okay. Now the next one. Guess how this design has been made. Use a compass to make a similar one in the box. Now here one space is given. In the same space you will draw a circle with the help of the compass, and you will draw the same design also whatever is given in the book. The same thing you copy in the blank page, in the blank side. Clear? Now come to the next one, the page number 89. The topic is, it is continuing. Okay, is it a circle? See, is it a circle? Naina was making a circle. Now look to the picture very carefully. Naina, she is making a circle. Now Ravi asked her for an eraser. She kept her compass and gave him the eraser. Then she started again to complete her circle, but she got this. Now what Naina was doing, previously she was making a circle, and Ravi, he asked him for an eraser to her, and she just kept the compass or the rounder, and then she has given the eraser to Ravi and again started to draw the circle, but she was doing like this. What has happened to him? Oh, sorry, to her. Guess why did Naina get such a drawing? Discuss. Now the question is, yes, why she has got this type of circle? Write in the chat box. Why she has got this type of circle? Write in the chat box. Why she has got this type of circle? Yes. Exactly, as Joita is writing that because she does not started from the center. That means whatever the first center she has started, she has not started again from the same center. Now Rupsha is saying the place of the tip was different. Exactly, the place of the tip was different. So that's why she is getting this type of circle. That means because the center of the circle is changed, isn't it? The center of the circle was changed. That's why she has got this type of circle. Okay, this was the reason. See, in the second picture you can see there are two dots. That means two centers are there. That's why she has got this type of circle, isn't it? Yes, the tip was moved. Now come to the next one. Can a circle have more than one center? Can a circle has more than one center? Have more than one center? No, exactly. One circle has only one center point, because we are starting from that, we are drawing from that one tip, one center. Okay. So, a circle has only one center. Next one. Another day, Nana was using a compass to make a circle, but it came out like this. Now, next time, again she is making a circle, and when she was making, now the circle is like this. See the third picture. Did any one of you ever get a shape like Nana's? Yes, you have got, isn't it? You have got the shape. Now, what is the reason? See, oh, the screw of the compass is loose. Let me tighten it. Now my compass will not slip. That means when she was drawing the circle, at that time the compass was slipping. Why it was slipping? Because of the screw was not tightened properly. One of the screw, it was not tightened properly, and the pencil was just slipping. That's why she was not getting a perfect circle. Okay, so this might be one reason, that's why she is not getting. Now turn the page, come to page number 90. Page number 90. Now find the center. How you will find a center, it is discussed here. See, one more thing I want to tell you. In the next class, you will be ready with a compass, with a scale, and with two pencils. In the next class, we will read how to draw a circle. Clear? So, if you have the compass in your geometry box, it's well and good. If you don't have the compass, you just take from your elder brother and sister, and with the help of that compass, we will draw. Okay, and I think you all have the scale and two pencils. One is the small pencil and one the big pencil. With the big pencil, you will write it, and with the small pencil, you will attach it to the compass. Okay, and one scale and obviously eraser, because I know that you are drawing the first time, you will do some mistakes. So for that, you have to rub it. So in the next class, we will read how to draw the circle with the help of the compass. Okay. Okay. So now come to page number 90. Find the center. Shadik and Shamina want to make circles for themselves. Now Shadik and Shamina, they are trying to make circles for themselves. What Shadik is saying, I will make it with a compass, and Shamina is saying, no, I will trace it with a bangle. Now Shadik, he is saying that I will make the circle with the help of the compass, whereas Shamina, she is saying that I will trace it with the help of a bangle. Now see, whenever you are tracing, that means just you are keeping it on the paper, the instrument on the paper, and you are taking a trace of that object. So that is the tracing. And when you are using a compass, that time you are drawing. Clear? So this is the difference between tracing and drawing. Now see the second picture. In the second picture, okay, let us start the next one. See, Shamina and Shadik, they are drawing the circle of their own in the papers. Shamina, she is using a bangle, and Shadik, he is using a compass to draw. Now see what happened after that. They cut their circle. Yes, they have cut the circle with the scissors, and then see, my circle has a center, but where is the center of your circle? Now Shadik is asking to Shamina that, see, I have the center of my circle, but where is yours one? Now Shamina is saying, don't worry, see how I find it. She is saying that, don't worry, I will find it. How she will find? She folded her circle into half. See the first picture. She has folded the circle into half. Then she folded it again like this. Again she had folded one more time. That means she has folded into 1/4, as you can see in the picture. She opened the folded circle. After that, she has opened the folded circle. Can you see the two creased lines crossing each other? Now Shamina is saying, can you see the two creased lines? They are crossing to each other. Obviously, one will be vertical and one will be horizontal line. It is crossing each other. Shadik is saying, yes. See, I put a point where these lines cross. This is the center of my circle. Now Shamina is saying, where the two lines are crossing, that one is the center of the circle, and she has given one dot and she is saying that this is the center of the circle. Okay, obviously that will be the center of the circle where the two lines are crossing each other. Now you trace a circle on a paper using a bangle, cut it, then find its center like Samina did. So this is an activity, you do it of your own. Trace a circle with the help of any circular thing like bangle or the coin or the bottle's cap, and then you cut it and then you find the center as Shamina has done. Okay, it's the same way you will find the circle, center of the circle. Next one, we can also make the design on page 88 like this. How did you do it? Now here some designs are given. It is told that you can make it like this way as it is given in the book. Okay, you try to do it. In page 88 only one S was there, and in page 91 two circles are made inside a big circle. Okay, you try to do it in your copy. Clear? You try to do this one in your copy. Okay. Okay students, the next topic is balancing act. This we will do it in our next class. Balancing act, this we will do it in our next class. Okay. So today up to this only. Whatever we have done, you once more you do it in your copy. Clear? Once more you do it in your copy so that it will be more clear to you how to draw the circle. And this is my request to everyone. In the next class all should be present with the compass, scale and two pencils. Clear? And today up to this only. Bye all of you.